Hi, this is Lauren from LSP Actions, and in this super short video I'm going to show you how you can quickly batch, balance and smooth your image out using the LSP Cake Smash Cutie Photoshop Actions set. For the full editing tutorial, step by step based at beginners, you can watch video 2 part 1. This is video 2 part 5, so I'm going to move really quickly. And for installation instructions too, you can watch video 1 where I show you exactly how to install this set. So I'm using this beautiful image here by Gemma Pearson Photography, and I've just played the LSP Money Magic base here. You can see that it just adds that kind of contrast boost to the image. It balances out the tones a little more. Everything is very gentle but very effective for Cake Smash Photography. So I've just played the Enchanted Tones base balance now, and I'm also going to slide the opacity up. You can see these do not affect your original background image, and you can change and tweak the opacity to suit your image. Now onto the white balance section. I think I'm going to play Fix the Green White Balance. You can see there is a slight green tone to this image, and I think I'm going to give it a warm boost too. Let's play the Contrast Savvy Booster. That will just really enhance these shadows and highlights, but at the same time I also want to get some of the shadow detail back around here, so I'm just playing that one to balance it all out a little bit there. Again, sliding the opacity to suit. Let's give it one more warm boost just to be sure. So we turn them on and off, and you can see there in just a minute we've really balanced and boosted that image out. I'm going to use the snapshot flatten option here. In your history panels you can see the original and the snapshot there. Again, in video 2 version 1 you can really see this step by step in a lot more detail. Now onto the skin. I'm going to play the Mocha Skin toner here. And just run this over because babies have a slight greyish tone to their skin here, and we really want to bring out those beautiful tones. So I'm just going to paint that over here. I think I'm going to play Sharpen Up too on the Skin Retouch brushes. You can see it's already selected a white brush for me. Just going to paint this on to sharpen up and bring the attention there. You can also use the Accentuate Face brush just to bring a little more attention into the face, really gentle. I also recommend the Contrast Face Paint too, just to really bring that attention into those faces. Now on the Advanced Fix section, you can see here the water has been splashing over onto the seamless backdrop paper. The two don't mix very well, so I'm just going to quickly play the smooth backdrop paper. But to fully see how the Advanced section works, you can watch video tutorial section number 3, where I show you all of these in detail. But you can see here I'm just painting this over the background, just to minimise some of those water splashes there. So we see there before and after. That's just smooth the seamless paper down really effectively. Let's play the, not the pastel painter, let's play the vibrant colour painter here, just to boost some of these areas a little bit more to match. So I'm going to boost her little hairband there, black to hide, white to show. Let's boost this cake up a little too, and perhaps these purple balloons, just to really go with the vibrancy of the scene there and balance it all out a little more. So you're really bringing some of these colour tones out now. I absolutely adore this little one's expression. What a wonderful time she's having. Smooth backdrop paper, I'm just going to run that over this crease up here too. But you can use the backdrop crease fix, which is here for seamless backgrounds if you've got stubborn creases that you need to take out. And there we go, so that was a super quick edit. Let me take a snapshot of this and flatten it down by using the snapshot and flatten action, and I can show you a quick before and after. There we go, before and after. And that's using the LSP Cake Smash Cutie Photoshop Action Set, available at www.lsp-actions.com. And you can watch all the other video tutorials associated with the set, including the full start-to-finish beginner-friendly video tutorials, where I go into everything in a lot more detail. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.